In modern technology, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are considered a significant innovation in the automotive industry. While this technology is widely used in cars, its implementation in buses and trucks is less common. Let's explore the reasons for this in detail below. ADAS systems include radar, LiDAR, cameras, sensors, and advanced software, which are highly expensive. Installing these systems in cars is relatively easier because cars are smaller and have simpler designs. However, buses and trucks are larger, heavier, and have more complex structures. The number of sensors and software required to implement ADAS in these vehicles, along with the associated costs, is significantly higher. Due to this high cost, manufacturers are hesitant to widely implement ADAS in buses and trucks. Cars are generally purchased for personal use, and consumers are willing to pay a premium for safety and convenience features. In contrast, buses and trucks are primarily used for commercial transportation. Owners of commercial vehicles focus on reducing costs to increase profitability. Therefore, adding expensive technologies like ADAS may not seem financially attractive to them. Bus and truck drivers are typically professional drivers who undergo specialized training. They are skilled in operating large vehicles and have experience in assessing road conditions. For this reason, manufacturers and commercial vehicle owners believe that the need for ADAS is lower in these vehicles. However, many car drivers are regular consumers who require the safety features provided by ADAS. Installing ADAS sensors and cameras in buses and trucks is technically challenging. These vehicles are large, and placing sensors in the right positions is difficult. For example, due to the trailer of a truck or the long structure of a bus, it is hard for sensors to function effectively at all angles. This makes the implementation process more complex. There are already established regulations and standards for developing and testing ADAS systems for cars. However, these regulations are not yet fully developed for buses and trucks. Safety regulations and testing for commercial vehicles are stricter, which delays the implementation of ADAS. There is high demand for ADAS features in the car market, as consumers expect features like lane departure warnings, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. However, such demand is lower in the bus and truck market, as commercial vehicle owners focus more on cost reduction and vehicle efficiency. Nevertheless, there is potential for increased ADAS usage in buses and trucks in the future. Some modern buses and trucks are already being equipped with basic ADAS features such as blind spot detection and collision avoidance systems. As technology costs decrease and regulations improve, these features may become more common in commercial vehicles. The widespread implementation of ADAS in cars is primarily due to cost, market demand, and design feasibility. Implementing this technology in buses and trucks is expensive and complex, but there is potential for increased adoption in the future. With advancements in safety standards and technology, these features may become commonplace in commercial vehicles as well.